Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be creating a custom sequin mix to go along with my January/February crafty stash. So I did do a video showing all of the things that I will be using in the next several weeks for crafting and all that kind of stuff, which I will link below in case you haven't seen it. If you did see it already, you might have noticed that I didn't have any like sparkly bits such as these in there because I was planning on doing this video with you guys. But you may have noticed that I had this jar in my crafty stash, and this is what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be creating a sequin mix to fill this up so that I can use it for all sorts of different projects, cards, things like that. So everyone does have their own way of doing sequin mixes. Usually I pull out my little sequin drawer. The drawer is from an iris like storage thing with lots of drawers, and then the little sequin container holder thing I believe is from Doris, but I will try to find it and link it down below for you guys. My sequins come from all over the place, so I'm probably not going to be able to tell you where exactly I got specific ones, but I will try. If I do remember, I will definitely let you guys know. So my crafty stash has a lot of this crepe paper heart day collection in it, so I thought I would try to make a sequin mix that goes with this collection fairly well. I feel like this is kind of a very generic color scheme for Valentine's Day and kind of February things in general, so I pulled out this sticker sheet and we're going to do our best to try to match it up as well as we can. So I have this for reference, and then these are all of my sequins and like smaller jars of glitter and things. So I've got a whole bunch of stuff in here. So I think we should be able to come up with something that somewhat resembles these stickers. So I'm going to scooch this over to the side so we can put all of the things over here. Okay, so there's not really any purple in this collection, which kind of bums me out because purple is like the color of the year or whatever. I was thinking maybe like some of these little iridescent stars might be really cute, or the gold stars. So I'm gonna set those out. I think I also want to include some of these little like crystal gems. So I have some black ones and some clear ones. And let's see what other colors we can work with. I have some seed beads in here that I just repurposed this container for. So we might put some of those in. Kind of the way I do this is I just pull out a bunch of stuff and then kind of decide what I want to do. So I have these like iridescent white ones, and then these white iridescent ones have kind of a bluish kind of minty tint to it. It's not quite the same as the mint that's in here, but I'll pull it out just in case. Maybe just some regular gold sequins, and kind of a large and a small. I also have some heart ones. These heart ones are from, I think, a SimonSaysStamp card kit, I want to say. Same with these like large kind of pinky ones. These ones kind of go, so we'll pull those. Maybe some of these like cream ones. Apparently I need more like lighter pink sequins. Maybe we can dig through here and pull out some of the lighter pink ones. Same with this. Really kind of bummed there's not any purples in this sticker set because that would be super fun, right? So I have this pink one. This one kind of goes. I have like these, but this is like a brighter pink. I have these ones. They have a little bit of like an orangey one in them, but the pink is kind of fun. The vibrant pink. It's kind of like a coral. Or I have these ones. I guess the blush hexagons go and the gold ones go, but the bright ones don't really go. I like that one better, so that one. These green ones are too green. These stars are too green. You will notice I have everything kind of done by color. Maybe I could throw in some of these ones. They're like a darker version of this like minty blue. I don't know. I'll set those out just in case. Ooh, I have these ones. Which ones do I like better? I kind of like these ones better. Okay, so I think that's good as far as choices. So at this point, what I do is I grab a bowl and I just start mixing things in. And that's what we're gonna do today. So I have these clear seed beads. I wanted to do some of the gold stars. This thing is really cool. It's from Michaels. And I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit so you can see kind of better what I'm doing. So this is the one from Michaels. Some gold stars going in here. Oh, there's also hearts. These are really cute. Maybe these might match a little bit. We'll do some of these. Let's do those before I forget that they're there. Let's go ahead and put some of these little diamondy ones in there. Black ones. That's how that's looking so far. I think that's pretty. Go ahead and put some of these cream ones. It's looking very New Year's Eve mix so far. And I just try to stir it up and stuff between adding in things so I can see how we're doing. I feel like we need some of these pink hearts. These ones are pretty big. Don't need like a ton. Some of these gold hearts. These ones have open centers. Kind of fun and different. Some regular gold sequins and kind of a larger size. Put in some of these. Do I want the iridescent ones? I kind of do because they have a lot of pink in them. So I'm just going to go ahead and dump that one out completely. That definitely adds some more pink to the thing. And I don't care if it matches like super perfectly as long as the vibe is there and it coordinates. That's what matters to me, right? Some of those, maybe put in some of these ones. Adds in a little bit of the blue. I want to put in some pink ones for sure, but a lot of these are like really dark. But there are like these kind of see-through-y pink ones that I thought would be fun to put in here. So don't forget, you guys, if you have like a mix of sequins already, you can go through them and just select the things that you want. Yeah, I think these are just like kind of too purpley of a pink, so that's why I'm not putting them in here. I do have these. Let's see how these might look. Now they do kind of have a purpley shift. They're somewhat close to the pinks in here. Probably as close as I'm gonna get with the pinks that I have. Then I have these ones as well. I'm going to go through these ones real quick, but all I'm doing is getting like these coral ones, like the light coral peachy ones, and the gold hexagons, and putting them in here. These ones are like kind of staticky a little bit. I'm gonna do this off screen and I will be back when I get this part done. All right, so I've got all those separated out. So I'm just going to use this little scoopy bit thing that I have. This is a nail polish swatch stick. So you can like paint your nail polish on the top or whatever so you can see all the colors you have. But I actually use mine as a little scoopy thing and it works out pretty well. Then I need to decide if I want to add any of these guys. Like I kind of do, but I'm nervous because I really like how this is so far. Don't want to mess it up too much. I think it would be cute though. I don't know. I think it might be cute. Let's add just a little bit and we'll stir it up and see if we like. Alright, so I like just the little tiny little bits of the blue, so we'll just do that. The gold stars, there's hearts, super cute. I don't know, maybe we should add red. Like these tiny little red hearts would be super cute. You? Like 5, we can do 5 little red hearts. When other times are you gonna use like little red hearts? There, I just put a few in. It's like little bits of red. It's not like crazy. I think that will be fine. So that is our sequin mix. So it's time to put it in the jar. So I've gone ahead and put the sequin mix into a coffee filter. Now you can do this a couple of ways. You can use the coffee filter as a funnel, cut off the bottom and stick it in the jar and then just pour everything in there. But I like to do it this way where I pour the sequin mix into the coffee filter intact and then I pour it into the jar. It's just, I feel like I have a little bit more control of it this way. So this is what I like to do, but you guys do you, whatever that is. And I don't think we made enough sequin mix to fill up this little jar, but that's okay. It just means I get to make more sequin mix at some point in the near future. And then little stars out of there. Throw any rogue doodads. So this is the completed sequin mix that we made today. I think it's really fun, really pretty. I love all the sparkle and the different shades of pinks and all the golds and things, and I think it goes pretty well with this sticker sheet from the Crepe Paper Heart Day collection. Like I mentioned, I have a lot of this, so I needed something sparkly to go with it. Considering that I used just sequins for my stash and didn't purchase any new ones or anything, I think this turned out pretty good. So I'm very happy with it. I think it'll be fun to create a lot of fun sparkly things, shaker pockets, I don't know, shaker cards. We'll see what happens with this stuff, but I hope you guys subscribe so you can see how I use this and how I use the rest of my stash, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!